In this video, we're going to find the center, vertices, and foci of an ellipse. Find the center, vertices, and foci of the ellipse. Simplify your answer as much as possible. The easiest one will be the center. So look for the numbers that are being subtracted from x and y. We can tell that the center of this ellipse is going to be at 6, 5. The vertices, they want the endpoints of the major axis. So I'm going to try to do this a little bit graphically, okay? So let me plot the center, 6 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the center, how many do I have to go to the right, left, or up or down to have a major axis sketched? Let's take a look. What's the bigger number in the denominator? Is 25 bigger or 169 bigger? 169 is bigger, right? And notice this is the number under y. So this is going to have a vertical, we're going to go up or down, okay? Because y-axis is the one that's going up or down. We're going to have a vertical major axis because this number is bigger than 25. How many do we go up or down though? Now, what is square root of 169? That is going to be 13. So I need to go up 13 and down 13 from the center to have the vertices. So let me take a look. I don't know if I can go up all that. But right now I am down at 5. Okay, so the y coordinate of this point is going to be 5. So this point is 6, 5. But imagine going up 13 units from here. So it's going to be somewhere out there, right? The order pair for that first vertex way up there will be 6, well, it's still 6 because we just went straight up, so the x-coordinate doesn't change. But if you go 13 up, if you go up 13 from 5, you should be up at 18. So the first vertex is going to be 6, 18. And 18, I just got it from doing 5 plus 13. Now let's go find the other vertex, okay? I need to go down, right? I need to go down 13 from that center. So the x-coordinate doesn't change. The x-coordinate is still 6 because we're not going right or left. We're just going straight down. So if you go down 13 from 5, what is that going to be? What is 5 minus 13? Well, that will give us negative 8. So we found two vertices of this ellipse. I'm going to write that down. The vertices. 6, 18, and 6, negative 18. They weren't asking for the co-vertices, which we can definitely found by using this 25 under the fraction for x, but they just want vertices, so we'll only talk about the major axis, okay? Now let's find the final part, the foci. Now for that one, I will ask you to use that formula right here. It's hard to just graph the foci without having these formulas. So right now we're looking at a vertical major axis case because we went 13 up, 13 down. This 169 was bigger than 25. So we're looking at a vertical major axis case. Now, what's the formula for foci? That is what we're going to use. Now, h is still the x-coordinate of the vertex. So when you talk about the foci, the x-coordinates will still be the same. But we're going to have to do some work for the y-coordinate of these foci. So you're going to have two of them. Make both of their x-coordinates to be the same as the center and the vertices. Okay, so all of them, look at them, all of them will be on that same vertical axis, okay, or the same vertical major axis, okay? Now, to find the y-coordinate, we need to find c, okay? And, you know, c is, where do you see the letter c from? What kind of formula? Pythagorean, right? So we're going to do something very similar. Note that c is equal to, or c squared is equal to b squared minus a squared. Okay, so I can tell you that c, if you just want to find what c is, you're going to do square root of b squared minus a squared. Okay, and we'll be adding c and minus and subtracting c from the y coordinate of the center. So let's go find what this A and B is, we can find what C is, okay? A is the number under in the vertical major axis case. That will be our 169. So watch. Try to do that work over here. So C is going to be square root of, what's B? B is 169. 169 minus, now A square value is, just right there, 25. So if you do 169 minus 25, what's that going to be? That's going to be 144. So C comes out to be 12. Now 12 is the number that you're going to add or subtract to the center to get the y coordinate of the foci in this case, okay? So look, the y coordinate was 5, right? So if you do 5 plus 12, the y coordinate of the first foci will be 17. And the y coordinate of the other foci, we can find that by doing 5 minus 12, which will be negative 7. So I think center and vertices, I definitely just do it by graphing it. But foci, we did, is the first example that we reviewed how to find C value in an ellipse. But all the formulas that you will need are on this note. So when you're doing the ALEKS homework, make sure to look over these formulas and try it, okay?